Hospitals statewide now require medical personnel to get the vaccine. News 19's Julia Kaufman tells us why some hospitals are mandating the shot and if that could become a reality for hospitals right here in the Midlands.
The Medical University of South Carolina was the first hospital in the state to require employees to get vaccinated against COVID-19.
It all comes back down to something very, very simple, and that is first do no harm. All of our care team members take an oath.
Heather Woolwine with MUSC says anyone with patient contact was required to get vaccinated, which is about 17,000 employees. Roughly 2,000 to 3,000 of them were granted medical or religious exemptions.
We understand when people want to make individual or personal decisions if they disagree with a policy. However, we have a responsibility at MUSC Health to make sure that safety is our #1 priority.
5 employees were let go that didn't comply with this new policy, but Woolwine says several other issues led to their separations as well.
We feel that given the data about the safety and the efficacy of the vaccine, that it is a good option for us to have.
Tidelands Health in Myrtle Beach agrees. They announced this month they're mandating the shot. And the Department of Veterans Affairs announced Monday they are too.
Hospitals have a very important responsibility to create very safe environments.
Chief Operating Officer of the South Carolina Hospital Association, Melanie Matney, says many hospitals are discussing the possibility of requiring the vaccine as cases continue to rise.
In the next few weeks, I think we'll see some additional messaging coming out.
This comes as new data shows a significant number of hospital workers are not getting vaccinated. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, 1 in 4 had not gotten a single dose by May of this year. News 19 reached out to Lexington Medical Center to see how they're faring. The hospital says 63% of their employees are fully vaccinated. In a statement, they say, "We know that many organizations are calling for all healthcare workers to be vaccinated. We are engaged in that dialogue and evaluating our options for the future." They're currently incentivizing employees to get the shot with a raffle. Prisma Health says they're incentivizing the vaccine too with a lottery. They didn't share how many of their employees are fully vaccinated, but said they're not requiring it at this time. In Columbia, Julia Kaufman, News 19, WLTX.
The CDC says people who are fully vaccinated should get tested if they've been around someone who has the virus. Testing is recommended 3 to 5 days after a potential exposure, even for people who don't have symptoms. That's a change from May when the CDC eased testing guidance for fully vaccinated Americans. Now, this reversal is because of the more contagious Delta variant, which the CDC says can be spread by vaccinated people.